The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is BGU Birla Global University. So it is a website bgu.ac.in/careers. So after entering into this website, of course, actually I am in the vacancies part. I will take you to the home part. Yeah, so it is a website that is bgu.ac.in, and after entering into this one, you just scroll down, and at the end you are going to get the careers blog. Yeah, see here the careers blog is there. Click on that one, then you will be directed to the vacancies notification. See, visiting faculty positions in the Department of Environmental Studies, E-commerce, Computer Application Business, Management Principles and Applications, Creative Communications, Expert Witness and Dispute Resolution, Emerging Business Laws. So for teaching subjects from 1 to 5, that means from this one to Creative Communications, candidates must hold a MTech, that means a master's degree with at least 55% of marks or equivalent grade in the point scale in the relevant subject. For teaching subjects from 6 to 7, practicing advocates or retired advocates may apply for visiting faculty positions. So interested candidates having the relevant qualifications and experience in teaching, consulting or industry experience may apply by 7th July 2020 with CVs. You have to send your curriculum video or resume to this mail ID by writing visiting faculty in the subject of the email, right? So it is a very simple process. The candidates who belongs to these departments with master's degree, actually there is no need of UG Senate also. With these subjects with master's degree, you can able to apply for these positions without UG Senate qualification and without PhD, right? So it is a very good opportunity, and the categories for the 6 and 7, retired or practicing advocates is required. So the application process is also very simple. You just send your resume to this mail ID with mentioning the subject of the email as a visiting faculty, right? So it is update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel, and for more updates please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video.